Hi guys, Ronda Winstead here. How are you? I hope you are having a wonderful day so far, or night, whenever you're viewing this video. I hope you're enjoying yourself and enjoying your family and just happy to be alive. I'm happy to be alive. All right, guys, so I am going to show you what I have been doing in my altered book journal. I am loving it so far, and if you have been watching my videos, you'll note that this is where we left off. And I finished this page, and this is my little journaling spot. And just real quickly, just going through, and now what I want to do is show you, because February's on its way. Isn't that crazy? It just seems like it was Christmas. And all of a sudden, we're talking hearts and, all of that. It's fabulous, but weird too. Okay, so I want to show you the rest of what I have done and just talk briefly about it. So, in my effort to try, which is extremely difficult for those of you that follow me and see my work, simple is a difficult concept for me. I don't understand it. I love it. I love to see it. And I follow people on their channels that do simple, and I think it's amazing. But simple is not generally me. But I want to show you what I have been doing. These background papers are from Artie Mays. Those, she does fabulous work. But what I've been trying to do is to have the digital itself. I'm trying to save myself a little bit of time. For those of you that have not watched my previous videos, let me kind of catch you up. And for those of you that are new, welcome, and I hope you enjoy my channel. But I am wanting my altered book to be easier and take less time for me to create in it so that I can keep it up and do it, because I am loving it. I have to tell you, you guys, this is working really well for me. And we are on Thursday, the 21st. And you'll notice here, Saturday is my birthday. And I have daughter-in-law's birthday's tomorrow. So anyway, I am loving putting my grateful things down. And as I work on a specific page and do my bullet journaling, let's loosely. It's not a bullet journal, technically, really, but this is my style. And I also want to, I am putting links into a couple of other creators that are doing bullet journals, and I want you to go to their channels and take a look at what they're doing. It's amazing. Barbara of 49 Dragonflies, and also Susie of Creative Girl Cafe. All of our styles are completely different, and yeah, I think they're all beautiful. I'm just enjoying that process. So be sure and check out their videos as well. So it's just fun to have a pretty page to just kind of do your work on. This not touched yet, but obviously I will. Okay, so I want to show you the rest of February. And most of this is just the image itself, the digital download. That's why it's easier for me if I can find a beautiful digital download. Oh, hello. Like, there are not a plethora of amazing, papers that we can pick from, or scrapbook papers. I mean, it just whatever seems beautiful to you. Anyway, that's how I'm doing mine right now. But I still have, a good part of the book left. And I give myself the right to change my mind if I want to. But for now, this is working really well. So all I have done, excuse me, I am loving the vellum paper. And I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of light, but I have Grateful Week here. And that has been stamped on a glassine piece of paper that has been coffee and color dyed pink. Just a scrap that I had. And here's the vellum. And then I took some cutouts to create these, just little additives, just very small. And a reminder, what I'm trying to include in my altered pages to tie them all together, or just giving myself the challenge. I'm using washi tape, trying to use some washi tape on each spread, and stamps on each spread. I'm not 100% on the stamps, but I'm trying. So here we go. I found these that the colors match beautifully. Here's my washi tape, and I even included I have a little stamp that I stamped on that. So, and I stamped this on some paper and then ripped around it and added that. And here again, for those of you that want to try a little different ripping where all your fuzzies show, then it kind of looks a little variegated when you ink around it. Just something different, because I do love the other way of ripping your papers as well. I think it looks very attractive. Okay, so this will be Valentine's Day. That's the 14th. I haven't done anything there yet. Okay, then we go into our last full week of Valentine's, and this time I brought out some pretty bold background papers, but I love it. It's a little different, but it's still, I think, very beautiful. And so because of that, I was able to add this washi tape, this shiny, that, I haven't really used, and yet I think it looks really fun over here. And then this little kitty, or kitties, I was trying to put them in a little bit previously, but it just seems to fit here. And I have, instead of always doing that, let me do this. So, if you'll notice, I have a doily under here, a coffee-dyed doily that I have added. And then I added another pocket. I've got my Grateful Week. And I just couldn't help myself because I love this image. And so here is my writing space, or I could write here as well. So if I have extra notes or things that I want to do that way, I can certainly do that. Okay, so there's only one day left in February, and like I did previously here, this is all of January, the 31st, and then we've got February. So I do the spread like the main days, what month they fall under. And so here we go. Here we go with March. And I think I'm probably going to add just a little bit more here. I'm not 100% sure, but this is a whole different something for me, and I'm absolutely loving it. And this paper, this comes from Barbara, 49 Dragonflies, and I'll put the link, of course, to her shop. This is just such a sweet, subtle background, and it just very soft, very feminine, and I just wanted to work with it. And I have this washi tape that makes kind of a minty green, and this is washi tape too. So I'm just having fun playing with this. And guess who? This is actually the first time that I've actually used one of Edith Holden's images in any of my journals or works. I have looked at it. I have pulled my book apart so that I can take the pages out, and I just have not been able to rip the images. But I did for this month. So this is the beginning. I have more to do, obviously. So this is just kind of a teaser for you guys. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I've been working on since we chatted about our altered book journals. So yeah, that's going to do it for me today. Just know I love you. You're important. You're valuable. And you're worth it. You're absolutely worth it. So enjoy your day. Until next video, guys, have a fabulous day. Bye-bye now.